Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Neva. It's your first time here. Welcome and please subscribe. So today I'm going to talk about 3 money-making ideas that college students can use to basically gain extra income. Now, of course, I'm sure you've heard some of these before, but one came in my mind today as I was wrapping up revamping my website, where I found a young man to do my website, and I'm pretty sure he could be a college student. I'm not sure of his background, but I thought to myself, hey, this is a great idea. So if you've used a service such as Fiverr, you can basically list whatever service that you're good at. If you're good at graphic design, if you're good at doing websites, if you're good at voiceovers, whatever you're good at, you can basically use such websites to promote your service. As I said, this young man, he basically revamped drneva.com. That's my website, and I would say he did a fabulous job, right? So if you're that, you're talented, why not take advantage of such a service? Now, I know some individuals will say, well, hey, that, they're not going to get paid a lot of money on such a website. But I would say to you, don't look at it that way. You never know who will continue to use your service from finding you from such a website. You never know who will recommend you to someone else by using these websites. So, hey, guys, take advantage of it. Money adds up. Every little bit counts. All right? Get started. Get started. And the next that I would say to you, are you good at any subject such as math, chemistry, biology, just the sciences, writing, history? Are you good at those things? Basically, offer your service to do tutoring. You could simply just put it out there on your Instagram, your social media page, and let people know, hey, you're available. 2 of the best tutors that I've had for one of my centers in the past, they were college students, and basically they were tutoring high school students. They knew how to relate to the high school students. I had, and I'm not going to put the person in a bad light, but I had another math teacher he was famous, and people say, oh, he was great, but he was not able to basically teach these students. And hiring these college students worked for the center, and I was able to have students that received good grades. Right? So the first one I mentioned, using online programs or online websites to promote yourself and your services, doing graphic designs or whatever you might do. Next, tutoring. And the last but not least, because there are many other ways that you can make an extra income, I met a young guy the other day, and I smiled because I'm like, oh, that's so slick. He basically get you stuff, not just his use items, but items from his siblings, his parents, whatever, and he sell it online. That sneakers he doesn't need anymore, that sweater, whatever it might be, he has it online and he's selling it and he's making money. Why can't you? So versus, sitting there and scratching your head like, oh, how am I gonna make some money? Whatever talent that you have, turn it into a hustle. It's okay. We all do that somewhere along in our lifetime. All right, guys? So that's it. I hope that you start making some extra income, that you don't keep relying on your parents. All right, until next time. Bye-bye.